Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Onion hair care is in the air. So I am also using one onion hair oil. As you can see, it comes from the brand Positive Root Therapy Onion Hair Oil, and I have been using this hair oil for past 1 month. So I thought, this is the perfect time to review this hair oil, talk about this hair oil, and definitely, in my videos, I will definitely show you the application. So let's get started. This oil is paraben free. It is not only an onion oil, it is having 18 essential oils and 37 herbs in it. Now if I just go to read each and every ingredient, the video will become lengthy. I will read few ingredients for you and I will provide a snapshot for all of you somewhere in the video. Go through the ingredients, guys. So the ingredients which really grabbed my attention was the almond oil, argan oil, castor oil, fenugreek oil, coconut oil, and the list goes on, and each and every oil plays an important and vital role when it comes to hair growth, right? It comes in a simple cardboard box like this. All the ingredients, benefits, everything is written over here. The product quantity you will getting is 200 ml, and this is how exactly the product looks like. It is quite decent in packaging wise. It is a plastic jar of brown color and it is transparent. If you have a closer look, you will understand how much product is in there and how much product is left. The nozzle is of good quality and you can carry it wherever you go. It is strap friendly. So this is the first time I am going to use this oil. Let's see to it, and this is how it opens. Okay, so and this is exactly how it looks. Okay, now the great part is that it doesn't smell like it has onions in it. Okay, now I'm just applying this hair oil. Now guys, just massage a bit, because it's important that you massage your hair. Scalp till the length of your hair. You must be, putting this oil, and then you have to keep it overnight. It is written over there, and it is good that if you can keep an oil overnight, and if you're having sinus problem or something like that, you catch a cold very fast, I would suggest you that you keep this oil for 3 to 4 hours at least if you can, and then wash it off. Guys, this is the second week and the first application. I'm feeling so sleepy because I'm massaging my head. It is very important while you put the hair oil that you massage your head a bit, because that only increases the blood circulation and which promotes hair growth. So guys, today is the 4th week, but today I'm not going to show you any application. I would like to talk about this oil and share my experience with this onion oil from the very beginning till today, what exactly I feel about this hair oil. Guys, I would like to share my first experience with this hair oil. I'm talking about day 1. You have seen me doing chumpy on my head with this Positive Onion hair oil. I kept it overnight, and the next day when I went to the washroom and washed my head, the thing which was noticeable, that I didn't have any excessive hair fall. Normally when you use a wrong product on your hair, you feel rapid and massive hair fall. I didn't face anything. This was really nice about this hair oil, and I wanted you to know, because many of us that we have a fear within that if I use this oil, am I going to have hair fall now? So this kind of comments also I get in my comment section. I'm making it very clear. From the very first day I have noticed one thing: I didn't have any excessive hair fall, and this thing was quite impressive about this Positive Onion hair oil. If you are my friend, you must be knowing one thing about me, that I suffer from dry, damage and frizzy hair, and while I was using this Positive Onion hair oil, I noticed within a week's time, within the second week, I noticed one thing, that my hair was less frizzy, it was controllable, and it was manageable. It was becoming more smoother and softer, and I was getting rid of my split ends slowly. So these were the all noticeable changes after the second week, which I have really noticed. So this was all in this video. I wanted to talk about this positive root therapy onion hair oil. If you are using this hair oil, don't forget to leave a comment behind. Let everyone know how you're feeling about this hair oil. And if you have liked this video, do leave a like and do subscribe to my channel. Obviously, if you like my videos, with a bell icon. And until my next video comes, stay happy, God bless, tata, take care, bye bye.